To be able to use Tally, you need to have it installed on your computer. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Tally on your computer. To download Tally, open your browser and go to tallysolutions.com. On the home page, you will find a download link. Click on it. On the page that follows, you will find two options at the bottom of the page to download and install Tally. So there is an option over here. With this option you will be able to install Tally in online mode, which means that you will need to be connected to the internet at the time of installation. And another option is an offline download, which will download the full setup file. So I would recommend you to download the offline download. The advantage of downloading the offline setup file is that you will have the installation handy with you and you would be able to install the software without being connected to the internet. And if you wish to reinstall the software, then you won't have to be connected to the internet with the offline setup file. Therefore, I would recommend you to download the offline setup file. To download the file, click on this option download for later. You will get a dialog box to save your setup file. Click on save button to start download process. After the download gets finished, you need to click the downloaded file over here. So this will begin the installation process. You can change the installation folder over here and you can click over here and specify the location on your hard drive where you wish to install the software. So I would recommend you to go with the default setup path, and with the option check latest, the installation will check for the latest version which will be available at the time of installation. So right now we just downloaded the latest release, so just click on the install option to start the installation process. Let's wait for the program to get installed. Okay, so we are done with the installation process. Click on the button over here and Tally will start by itself. So when you run Tally for the first time, you will be presented with these options. So these options are related to Tally's activation. So in case if you have purchased the software, then you can activate your software over here. To activate your software, you need to click on the option activate your license. So right now I cannot show you the activation process because my software is already activated, but you would be getting a screen where you will be expected to enter your serial number and your email ID. The email ID that you enter will be then associated with Tally. So after entering all those information, you will be getting a mail with another serial code which you need to enter again to activate your software. Purchasing Tally's license for learning purpose would be an expensive thing. Therefore, there is also a free to use mode to learn Tally. So that mode is work in educational mode. So with this mode, you would be able to use Tally for learning purpose without paying anything. The only difference would be that you would be able to enter the transaction date as first, second and last date of the month. So you would not be able to enter the remaining of the dates. So to activate this option, you can use the direction keys from your keyboard to navigate over that option and press the enter key, or you can simply just click on it. As soon as you select work in educational mode, Tally will be ready to use and you will be displayed with this screen. This screen is referred as Gateway of Tally. The name of the screen would be displayed on the top left corner over here, and at the bottom you would be able to see the version which you are using, and over here you would be able to see the kind of license that you are using. So right now it will display educational mode as the kind of license. I will explain all these options as and when we progress. To exit Tally, you need to press the escape key on your keyboard, and Tally will prompt you before exiting. You can press the letter Y to exit or press the letter N to not to exit. So that was all about downloading and installing Tally. In the next section, I will show you how to change over from manual accounting to accounting in Tally.